Hey, how are you guys doing? I am Lee Hill, your hair coach. I wanted to kind of land back. I hate piggyback. I wanted to land back on someone asked a question about the apogee. Is it a mask or is it I think she said a conditioner. It's actually a mask. So when you put it on all over your head, it used to stink so bad. It used to be like throw up. And when you put it on, you're gonna put it on and sit under the dryer, and it turns to like a hard shell of a mask. And you sit under there for about 25 minutes, 20 minutes to 30 minutes. That's what I would say. And then you rinse your hair, and it immediately stops breakage. Even if you had like a bad color treatment, like what happened to me was I had a bad chemical treatment. I'm gonna get into it right after this. So I am headed to work. And I was like, wait a minute, let me shoot a quick video. And I wanted to pull the products that I use on a regular basis when my hair is in trauma. I use it anyway, the products, because I always want to keep my hair soft, because I do understand that a lot of times we'll say, oh, my hair is really, really dry. And we may have had a chemical process, whether that's color, relaxer, or keratin, right? Or, it's just dry, or you may have some type of skin condition. One of the things I always do is try to keep that hair, and I was talking to you guys about it yesterday, is that I try to keep the hair at a, what do you call that? At that pH balance of the 5.5 that we try to keep it at. That's what they teach us in school. So I'm gonna show you a little, my little regimen that I do every week. Some things I don't do every week, but I'm gonna show you the things that you could use positive that will help with your hair. And then some of the chemicals things that you're doing, these are some of the things that products I use that keeps my hair healthy. Now, yes, I wanted to say this too, and I'm headed to work, y'all. I'm like, oh my God, let me hurry up. I had to pack my lunch and stuff, but I was like, let me shoot this video because I was gonna take the bag in the car, and I'm like, no. All right, so one of the things I realized too, because I couldn't get to the salon, and so I brought a box relaxer. And I thought about it, I was like, oh shoot, that's probably what happened. Because you don't know if that relaxer is aged. I did everything, believe it or not, I wanted to see, because I always teach on it, but I actually wanted to see how it happens. I know my hair is gonna grow back. That's not an issue. My hair is not breaking off from the root. That is really, when you see it break off from the ends like that, and it's like I say, you wake up in bed and it's chips, that is a chemical situation. It can be a medical situation, because some people that deal with like, what's this right here? Y'all know what I'm talking about. It's called hyper something. Oh God, thyroid issues. I've seen them have breakage, diabetes, depending on their medication. So that can happen as well. But a lot of times it's chemical. So let's jump right into it real quick. I will not keep you guys long because I got to head out. All right. All right. So right now, remember I told you I did not curl my hair. I curled my hair on Monday. So I'm not touching or Tuesday. I think it was yesterday. Tuesday, yeah. So I'm not putting any more heat in my hair. My hair is short, right? It doesn't need that. And it's low on the side. So all I do is just, y'all know the thing that we used to use when we had COVID and we had to put the mask on, and it's like the cotton ones that you pull over your head. Listen, honey, I be trying to save money too. I'm not running out buying all this stuff if I can help it. So I put that over my head and leave it there and just go to sleep. And it snugs it, it lays fine, and I'm good. And they have them in satin too, so that's what I use. So one of the things I absolutely love is the keratin shampoo. I should have put my glasses on. This is a hydrating shampoo, all right? Hydrating shampoo. Now, they do have it on Amazon, but if you're a professional hairstylist, and listen, y'all, I've been a professional hairstylist. I let my license lapse, and I was like, oh my gosh, let me get my license back. I feel like I should have been grandfathered in, but I had to get my license back so I could start ordering my professional stuff, because I don't like over-the-counter stuff. And then when I do have customers that call me, I don't do hair, to be honest, like on a consistent basis. But I do have my friends and my old clients that when they call me, I'll be like, okay, I need to have my professional products on hand. So when my hair is in trauma and I'm dealing with dryness, right, I go to this. And I know you guys are like, well, what about the clarifying? My hair is already dry. right? So what am I stripping off? So it needs nutrients. So this is one of one shampoos. Normally you would use this if you want to, you do like your 2 weeks shampoo and conditioning, right? This is the product that you would use. You would use the clarifying if you had greasy, oily hair. You would use the clarifying, then you would go back. You would use the clarifying one time, and you would go back in twice with this shampoo or a hydrating conditioning shampoo. So that's the first thing I use. I actually do my hair every week. So this is the first thing that I use because my hair is in trauma. Now, if my hair wasn't in trauma and I didn't make those bad mistakes by using that box relaxer that I don't know how long it's been sitting on the counter. It looks smooth and everything, but I don't know. And y'all know the chemicals they put in there. But I used it for my sides, and I guess I touched up there, and maybe that's why it broke off as well. And then so when I went to the hairstylist and she did her thing, it said and it just, so that's the first thing. I think I used the olive oil relaxer, so I won't ever use that again, Lord's will. So I got my professional license so I can order it. So before I do this one, if I need color, because I am a gray head, only reason why I don't let my hair get all gray, because I really want that, is because I'm doing this movie. I think I was telling you guys about it. So I'm playing a certain aged role, so I have to, I'm like, I gotta keep my hair black. Black is the most healthiest. One quick thing, if you have hair breakage, the worst thing you could do is leave your hair bleached and keep trying to hold the color, and you see that it's breaking. If it's unhealthy in any kind of way, they teach us in beauty school to always dye your hair black, all right? And for those of you that too much dark, if it's too black, it doesn't help none, that's fine. They just use like a 4B, and your color. So 10 volume is a deposit. It's like a rinse. I can kind of put it towards the 10 volume. It has small molecules as well. It's not a demi, but this is perfect if you do a chemical service, like a color or like a relaxer, not a color, like a relaxer. You'll use a 10 volume, and then this is Chroma Silk Hydro Gloss. I love Chroma Silk Hydro Gloss. I like Chroma Silk for black women hair because it conditions the hair. Look how big the box is. So, and my hair is short, so I've used this so far 4 times, and I still have 2 more applications that I could use in this. So I love this one. Now that my hair is relaxed, I will use the 20 volume, because the 20 volume is a permanent, because I have gray hair. If you have gray hair and use 10 volume, you're gonna be using this every 2 weeks. If you, and you have chemicals, because the reason why I keep using a 10 is because I did a chemical, so I'm just depositing color, okay? 20 volume is going to hold, the color has really small molecules, so it's gonna deposit into the grays. That's why it eats up the grays, and then you don't have to permanently color your hair at least once a month, right? So I use Chroma Silk. That's my brand, all right? I love it. It's conditioner thing, and they have a gloss that I absolutely love. Then we use the hydrating shampoo. So you see everything I'm using is keeping the pH balance down, keeping the hair really, really soft. I also, y'all know the brand Nairobi. I've always loved Nairobi. Nairobi, actually, I tried to look for the study to see if they are black, because their products, even their relaxers, the relaxers is what I used in the salon. And this is the foam wrap that we've used for like over 20 years. You guys are not discovering it now. Y'all ordering it off of Amazon, but in-house. And the other thing, when you order off of Amazon, that's a hairstylist that's probably gone out of business and selling their products, so you don't know how long it's been there. But the other thing is, you're paying more than what we pay. Like, it's like $5. All right, so Nairobi. So I foam wrap my hair, right? Now, for you that are natural, right? I used to be natural. I like this Michi. Michi is the gel foam. So it gives a softness. And even though it's a gel, your hair is still soft. So I love Michi for your natural hair, girls. If you want to do your 2-strand twist, it gives a nice hold. It's not crisp. And your hair the curls are defined. No matter what texture your hair is, it's very defined. And you don't have to use like a oil. You can if you want to, but it gives you shine and everything. It's similar to the Nairobi, but that Michi, whoever made this Michi, I can't think of the girl name, great for natural hair. All right. The other thing I use is, this. Now, I do order this off of Amazon. This is the Jamaican black castor oil. It works perfect for my hair. My hair, when it's black, people think my hair is thick. My hair is not thick. It's medium. It can be fine and a little bit of thick texture to it, right? That's what medium means. And so I just take a dime to a nickel size, roll it through my hands, and put it all on my hair. It doesn't weigh my hair down, but it, like how I needed to curl it, like I curled it yesterday, it will stay there. I don't have to every other day, what is that? I don't have to every other day, apply the oil to it, because it just does it for me. It's a little thick, but it's not too thick. So it works for me. If you have medium type of hair, that's perfect for you. Now, I used to, when I had my hair natural, you guys can see through the videos, I used to grease my scalp with this and then put this on, and it'll last for a week. It'll last longer, but y'all know me, I don't like that. So I put this on. So I done colored my hair. I done colored the hair with the Chroma Silk. Then I come back in with the hydrating shampoo. That's like a 5-point. Gonna put my pH balance down on my hair, makes it soft, right? So then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna use a Nairobi natural hair, the Michi, because they both keep my hair soft, right? And they both have a natural shine. Then when it's time to curl, I'm gonna use my black olive oil, castor oil, called olive oil. If you have, like, you want to do updo, maybe you have longer hair. Child, I thought that's how much I used it. Yeah, let me show y'all, honey. I'll be laying this thing out. This is the Affirm wax. This is dry wax. So dry wax should be used if you're doing like updos and different things like that. And you don't want, because if you, this is the water-based wax. I like this too. This is the water-based wax. A lot of you guys seen this on TikTok. I like this one. So the water-based wax is when, let's say you do a natural hair look and you're doing your twist, you would use this because it's water-based and it's like that kinky, curly look. If you do this on my straight hair and you put this on, I'll probably put a little bit on my edges. I'm done, y'all. I don't even mess with this for like, until it's time to wash my hair again and I'm styling and I'm going somewhere. So I barely use this. When I had the natural hair, I use it a lot. So this is the same one. Look at it, it's almost gone. All right, what is this one called? Bask and Lather. I ain't wearing my glasses. Edge Control. Bask and Lather Edge Control. So this is the water-based one. So anytime you see gels like this, it's water-based. You don't use that on natural. You don't use that on relaxed hair or updos or different things like that. It's gonna make it curly and wavy. All right, just a tip. The dry wax by Affirm, it's a wax stick. It's dry base. It doesn't have a water base in it, I mean. So when you have this one and you do your updos, like if I put it on here or whatever, it's just going to lay it and it's not going to make it kinky or curly. So it's not going to take your hair back, right? Retro or whatever they call it. So that is what you can use as well. For my spritz, I do not use spritz. Oh, God, it done fade out. Okay. This is the Peter Coppola. Y'all always hearing me talk about. I use this for short hair. It's called the Steel. I do have these though, because I used to be a regional brand manager. So I used to have so much of these products, but I actually really believe and love the product. But it smells amazing. Y'all see that? And then I just spray it like, I'm not spraying it today. I spray it over my hair and then I just curl. That's if my hair was not in trauma, because it's a lightweight. I like it because it's going to give me the curl that I need, but it's not going to, It's not going to have it hard like the spritz and different things like that. And last but not least, if you have long hair, this is the Peter Coppola. I always tell y'all about the Just Blow. Amazing. It's expensive on Amazon, but of course I have my professional license, so it's not expensive for us. But Just Blow, when you're doing a press out, this is when it's a heat protectant. It is it gives you shine, and it has keratin molecules in it. So when you press your hair out, it stays that way. for a long time, so you can silk wrap it and everything. This is amazing, amazing, amazing product that lasts. And then especially for I live in Miami, so the humidity is, y'all know what it is. So I pray that this blesses you guys. I just wanted to show you my regimen and give some tips on people who have made longer hair or whatnot, what I use when my hair is in trauma, and what I use on a normal basis regardless. I always make sure that my pH balance is very low, that 5 point, because I know when hair is dry, the alkaline is high, it's hard and crisp, and these are the things that I do on a normal basis to keep my hair healthy while I'm trying to get it out of that trauma phase, and what I use on a normal basis to keep my hair healthy. All right, I hope this message blesses you. I'll see you next video. Bye.